It's now time for Reshma's Beauty Tip of the Week. I often get asked what the secret is to hair growth. Well, my personal secret is a good healthy diet so you get all your nutrients and regular oil massages. So particularly for people who struggle with hair loss, oil massages are extremely good for you. So do try our henna-infused oil for thinning hair. It's a great treatment, so try it as a regular hair regimen. The main components that make this a unique elixir for thinning hair are cedarwood and basil oils. Cedarwood is prized for its cleansing and strengthening properties, freeing your hair of dandruff and mildly exfoliating away the dead skin cells on your scalp to allow new hair follicles to form and grow. Basil, also known as tulsi in our community, is a natural stimulant that helps increase blood flow when applied topically. Additionally, the henna extract will help rebuild stronger and thicker hair, giving your hair a healthy, luxurious shine. Jojoba and olive oils will nourish your hair and make it smoother and more manageable. To use this oil for hair growth properties, massage it into your hair for 5 to 10 minutes before every hair wash. Even better, if the time and conditions allow, leave the oil in your hair overnight and wash it out in the morning. The natural basil and cedarwood oils will soothe you to sleep with their stress relieving and calming properties. Enjoy this magical oil either on its own or as part of our carefully selected product bundles, Henna and Coconut Haven Hair Care Set and the Naturally Divine Hair and Skin Care Set. Purchase this and other products at reshmabeauty.com and be sure to stay tuned through our social media and our newsletter.